Today we have created a chatbot called AI Helper Bot, which helps you with a rectified prompt that will give you better result in any GPT. For this creation of bot, I used bot father in Telegram by using the following commands with new bot, and I named the bot as AI prompt helper. Then the bot name, and I got here my API key. Then now we will look a demo about it. AI prompt helper. See, this is what I given to it. See, I given a prompt that resume for freshers. So it given me a prompt which by which we can ask the AI for better results than normal human language. It also gave I asked also asked about YouTube script about AI. It given me the following script. So this is how our bot works. Now, for this bot, I used the API key which I took from the API key, which I took from the OpenAI platform. In this, we can get APIs of ChatGPT, Perplexity, whatever AI present that we can get. In this, I went to API keys and I have created the API key named as API prompt helper, and I got my secret key. From this, then I created my chatbot in VS Code, and this is the file structure of my bot. Here, the bot.js contains the main commands. In this, see, when we start, we will get the message as a. When we run, we'll get the prompt help. This A is running. Next, when you give a prompt, it will display generating a prompt. Then it will collect information from the API, and then if there is an error, it will catch error and it will display the failed message. Then if we go to env, here we will have bot token which is created in Telegram, and OpenAPI key which was created in OpenAPI platform. Then when we come to Firebase, here we will have the commands which we require to connect the Firebase, which is also a database. Then here OpenAI, this is related to API where AI is used to generate the prompts. Here package JSON, this is a file related to which the database, how the database stores in the database, and this is the JSON file created by the database to store the information. Now going to the going to the database system, like I used the Firebase here. Now going into there, see, to create this I have used Firebase. I have logged in and everything done. Now I have named my project as AI prompt helper. Now in this I used service accounts, and then I used service account and I generated a private key. Then I downloaded it and I renamed it and sent into my folder, and I have named it as service account key, etc. Then see, when we give a prompt that will be stored in our database. I will show how it stores. See here, this is the prompt page, and what the prompts they are given, that is, and what is the result, what is the prompt given, and what will be the result will be stored in this field. We will look for a demo. This is Telegram web, and I am giving prompt. Mm, learn about DSA or full stack. Before giving this, we have to start our bot as we are running it locally. So we will go through the running process. I'm starting the bot. and the bot loaded and it is running. Now we can give the prompt as required. We'll copy this. See, we'll give the same prompt. Prompt done. And it will load and it will give the result. So there is a network issue, so it's not loading. So when you give a prompt like this, see, it will give what will be the better way to give a prompt to an GPT. So it gives you the better results and it will help you to find whatever you want easily. So then we can see all the searches here, and we can see this analytics like it. We can see all the analytics of this, and we can see any bugs are there, what who are audience, what is dashboards, what are real-time analytics, everything here. And we can also see other details like what is your project ID, what is everything, and etc. And also if you want to create a new key, then there will be an option here, generate new key, and if this doesn't work, then you can create a new key and present it in your project so that it will work well and everything. This is all about my project, and thank you.